Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini book like this one. So let's begin. So first you take your A4 size sheet and fold it into a half like this. Make sure it is matching corner to corner. Now open all the folds up like this. Now fold it again but from the other way. And make sure again it's matching from corner to corner. And now fold it again. And now open this folds up too. And you can see there will be 16 squares. That's what we need. Now you will take your scissors. But first fold it like that. And now you can see these 3 lines. Cut along them. Like this, you have to cut. Now you open it. And you can see these 2 lines. Cut along them also. Like this. Now fold this like this, just like you're opening windows, and do that for the other ones too. Now you can see there'll be a rectangle. That's exactly what we need. Now flip your paper, and now you fold this down like that, fold this upwards like this, and now fold it from the middle. Now you can see there is a hole. That's exactly what we need. Now open the hole. That's a bit tricky. Yes. Now fold this like that. those mini books. I love them. And if you like these mini books, smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new around here, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.